based on the descent. One of the basis of descent, that is the type of relationship. Families may be either patrilineal or matrilineal. When descent is traced through the father, it is known as patrilineal, and when it is traced through the mother, it is known as matrilineal family. The Coenesis in India are matrilineal. However, most of the families are patrilineal. Individuals take their father's family name and are considered the descendant of the father's family. Based on residence, the knowledge rules of residence leads to better understanding of the family. There are 5 basic rules of residence. Very local, party local. Residence is the rule by which the bride and bridegroom after marriage stays with the parents of the bridegroom. Axorical, martilocal. Residence is the rule by which the married couple leave the parents of the bride. The practice is found more among the tribals like Skanas and Goras of India. Bilocal residence is a rule by which the married couple may choose to stay either within the bridegroom's parents or bride parents. And avenucal residence, the bridegroom and the bride stays with the bridegroom's uncle. When the rule of society permits the newly wed bridegroom and bride to set up their own residence, it is called neolocal residence. With terms, the residence families may be very local or auxiliary. When after marriage the bride goes to live with the bridegroom and his parents, it is known as a very local family. On the other hand, if the bridegroom goes to live with his bride and her parents, it is known as auxiliary family. Generally, families which are patriarchal are also patrilineal and very local, patrilocal. The same can be said about matriarchal families. Based on marriage, depending upon the type of marriage, the family may be called as monogamous families or polygamous family. If a family consists of one man and several wives, it may be called as polygamous family. And if in contrast, if a family consists of one woman and several husbands, it is called polyandrous family. If a family consists of one man and one wife, it is called monogamous family. Functions of family. The family performs various functions, of which the biological function is considered to be the most important. In order to continue human reproduction, sexual relationship between husband and wife within the family is absolutely essential. And Kingsley Davis has divided the main functions of the family into reproduction, maintenance, placements, and socialization of the young. Ackman and Imhoff given 6-fold classification of family functions. They are affectional, economic, recreational, protective, religious, and educational. The affectional functional including sympathetic understanding between the number of family, and it provides security to the family members. Within the family, the husband and wife divide the work by assuming certain responsibilities. From ancient times, the man's work has been to provide the financial requirement of the family, and the woman was to look after the other needs of the family. The family also provides the means of recreation for the members and protects them emotionally. The family is also the center of religious worship. The religious functions of the family differ from the family to another. The family transmits its culture from one generation to another. Micawber divides the functions of family into essential and non-essential functions. Under essential functions are included stable satisfaction of sex, and number 2, production under rearing of children, and number 3, provision of home. And under the non-essential functions are include the religious, educational, economic and recreational functions. Changing trends. In contemporary societies, there is a tendency of the constituent family to disappear and the conjugal family to take its place. In the early pre-industrial cities, the extended family continued mainly among the upper classes, but with the advancement of the industrialization, even in agrarian societies like India and China, the small nuclear families is becoming common. With the spread of industrialization and urbanization, the system of production has changed and resulted in the transform the family function to other organizations. Since the trend of women working outside the family has increased, some other institutions like creches, daycare centers, nursing homes, restaurants and old age homes have taken over some of the functions of the family. Many economic functions have been transformed to non-economic establishments. The same is also true of the educational, religious and recreational functions. However, in spite of the changes, we can state that the traditional functions of the family have been modified and lost. The reproductive function, the status of aspiration and socialization functions still remain. The importance of the family for the individuals has to be emphasized. With all the changes, the family has been and will always remain the most important primary group for the individual.